What I want people to know is that don't support the phonies, support the real. You know what I mean? How can these people be talking about how they so real and they don't care about our communities? How can they be talking about what they, all this, you know, the hood, blah, 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 blah. They don't care about our communities. You know what I mean? Listen to the words that people say in their lyrics and tell me if that's real to you. You know what I mean? Listen to what they're saying. Don't just bob your head to the beat. Peep the game. And listen to what I'm saying and hold us accountable for it.
A moj je problem najveći što osjećam suštinu i gledam u daljinu. Vidim u dubinu, vidim u dubinu, vidim kad razmišljam o svemu. Vidim u dubinu, a moj najveći je problem to što osjećam suštinu. Vidim u dubinu, slušaj brate ovo,
Make them sorry that they ever did this to me.
Svaki čovjek ima put po kojem gazi, boss po staklu, nikad ne osuđuj, samo zato jer je tebi lako. Tvoje misli mogu stvoriti raj u paklu i pakao u raju, a to jako dobro znaju oni koji su u sranju uspjeli zadržati dobru stranu. Postali su ljudi kakve možeš sanjat samo, sanjaj samo. Ne možeš se usporedit sa mnom jer ti nisi hod'o nikad tamnom stranom kad je stalo vrijeme. Riješio sam sve svoje probleme jer sam došao do korijena i izvadio sjeme. Sad kad pogledam u tebe, bebe, vidim u dubinu. A moj je problem najveći što osjećam suštinu. Ja kad razmišljam o svemu i gledam u daljinu, moj duh i ego spajam u cjelinu. I mislim da mogu sa ovom činjenicom živjeti, jer ću čiste savjesti i mirne duše umrijeti.
That's all good to me, because I always been a fighter, always been a soldier, always been a struggler. Can't nothing stop me but death itself. You know what I mean? So as far as what I have to say, my music does not glorify any image. My music is spiritual if you listen to it. It's all about emotion. It's all about life, and it's...
Nisam imao ništa, jer mi nitko ništa nije dao. Bilo mi je mnogo sve što je drugima malo, očaj svaki dan. Bez obitelji sam rastao, poklone za rođendan. Ja sam samo maštao, svima sam opraštao. Znam da nisam morao, svima sam vjerovao. Sa svima sam se zajebao, šta je to? U ljudima gore od bolesti, ljubomora, zavist, pohlepa i opet ja moram da je zbacim oštrovan. Dobar dan, neka dobar momak bio, sad sam postao gad. Postao sam jak od borbi koje sam vodio, vi ste stvorili zlo, ja sam zlo ukrotio. Stvorio sam raj za sebe, napokon sam uspio i nisam više dobar i ne bi popustio. I da me moli ljubav koja teče mi kroz vene, uvijek ste mi visili za vratom jebene hijene. Glave vam imaju cijene, odavno ste kupljeni, na moj račun svi ste jeli pili. Kudrali se, ljuljali se, pijani, klošari, žokari, mali, pljuvali ste iza leđa ruku koja vas hrani. Zato ste i postali ništa i nitko, muška očajna pička uz očajnu pičku. Uspio sam u mraku da stvorim sve što sada imam i ne možeš me ugasiti jer ne znaš zašto sijam.
Yeah, nothing to lose.
Puff, puff.
Come back like 50 times stronger and better. I would tell each and every person out there, be to yourself, stay to yourself, trust nobody. Trust nobody. After dog. You know what I mean? Straight up. My closest friends did me in. My closest friends, my homies, people who I done took care of their whole family. I done took care of everything for them, looked out for them, put them in the game, everything. Turned on me. Fear is stronger than love. Remember that. Fear is stronger than love. All the love I gave didn't mean nothing when it came to fear. So it's all good. But I'm a soldier, I always survive. I constantly come back. You know what I mean? Only thing that can kill me is death. That's the only thing that'll ever stop me is death. And even then, my music will live forever.